To fix common iOS 18.2 issues and bugs. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have recently updated to iOS 18.2, you might have noticed a few hiccups, bugs, glitches, or performance issue. Don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix some of the most common problems people are experiencing with iOS 18.2. So without further ado, let's get started. Many issues with third-party apps happen because the apps aren't updated. To fix this, open the App Store and tap on your profile picture in the top right corner and simply scroll down. And once you release the scroll, you will see all the available updates listed down. If there are any updates for your apps, make sure to install them. Keeping your apps up to date is an easy way to resolve compatibility issues. And once you are done here, you can simply move to the next step. For this, go to your settings, and once you are inside the settings, you can simply scroll down and tap on Apple Intelligence or Siri. Within this section, look for the extension options. Tap on it and enable the use of ChatGPT. This feature enhances your AI capabilities, improving performance and resolving AI-related glitches you might encounter. And once you are done here, you can simply head over to the battery section in your settings. Once you are inside the battery section, you can simply tap on charging and ensure that the optimized battery charging is enabled. If that is off, you can simply toggle on this, or you can even use the slider to customize your charging preferences. This will help to preserve battery health and reduce unnecessary wear on your battery. And these are some of the most common fixes for iOS 18.2. While there haven't been widespread issues reported yet, you might encounter something unique. If you do, feel free to share your experience in the comments below, and I will do my best to provide solution you might need, or even create a follow-up video addressing those issues. And that's all for today. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.